Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can install a WordPress theme on WordPress, obviously. So you can see we are at wordpress.com, and my website right now, it looks like something like this, and it's not looking very good right now. So my shop is like this, and this is my WordPress. So I don't think it looks very good, right? So how you can do that? So first of all, you need to go at your plugins, and you need to add a plugin which is called Astra. So click on Add New and search for Astra, and it's one of the best. I think one of the best theme manager out there. You can see once you search for Astra, it will end up over here. And remember to download install this one, starter templates, element of WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. So Beaver Builder is a website builder tool, and you can just uh, use that, and it will come with this uh, plugin. And you can also edit this on Elementor also. So it's very easy, and you just need to install it and activate it. After that, go to plugins, install the plugins wherever it has been installed, right? And click on C library. Once you click on C library, you will end up over here, and you will see multiple themes out there which you can choose. And it's very easy to understand, like whatever you want related to your website, you can just get that over here. And there's one thing which you need to understand, is that whatever you are going to choose over here, like this one, some might have premium version, so you need to purchase some premium version if you want this website. Otherwise, you have this one, you have this one, you can see all those things, right? And if you go over here, you can see that we if you want like business, and I'm going like agency or real estate agency, what do you say? So I'm going with this one, and this is what I have right now over here. As you can see, it doesn't look like that at all, but this is what we are using. So I'm just going to recreate that. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it, and on the left side you have some options over here, like choose a logo for your website. You can update it anytime later on. Obviously you can do that right now, but you can just do that later also. So this is how it will look like, and I'm just going to skip this all. I'm going to select the appearance of this website. So I'm not looking forward to this purple color. I'm just going with some light color like blue, or yeah, I'm going with this one, and I'm going to change some fonts which looks very bold and to understand for even older people. So I'm just going with this one. This looks good, normal. And you can just click on about us and properties to understand how it looks like on different platforms, different website pages. Click on continue, and this is the last step which you are going to do, which is tell us about a little bit about yourself. So I'm just going to write my name, my email, whatever email, your working email. So I'm just going with that. I'm a beginner, and I'm myself, my company. So I agree to receive your newsletter and accept the data privacy statement. Delete previously imported sites. So I have already these sites, right? So it will delete that, import widgets and every single thing, submit and build my website. So it would take some time, and depending on your internet, right? And I don't think it would take some time if you have a good internet, but at least around 1, 2 or 3 minutes maximum, and it will update it very soon. So right now I have my good internet, as you can see over here, but it will take some time after that also. So it's just loading up, and I will meet you after this loading, right? So as you can see over here, congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 38 seconds to build because my internet's good. So I haven't done anything extra that, and I'm just going to click on view my website. So let's see how it looks like right now. So if I click on it, It's loading up right now, and I don't know why it's taking so much time, even though my internet was working good. And here we are. My website has been created, and as you can see over here, everything is new and fresh over here. You can just see everything is end up getting in like 38 seconds, right? So you have your website built up, but obviously you need to edit some things, right? So you can edit this with Elementor. Once you click on that, and you will end up going in Elementor edit options, and you can edit every single thing out there, whatever you want. So it's loading up right now, and here we are. You can just edit this one, you can just edit this one, you can edit this, you can add things over here, you can add things over here. So all those things which you want will end up over here. So what happened with my last website, where it goes, right? So I'm just gonna open my pages in my new tab, and you will see that all of my new pages have been updated. And let's see my website. If I click on visit my website, so that will direct me right over here. And what if I go at visit store? So obviously that's my website, and this is my e-commerce, right? So if you end up getting your e-commerce extra theme, that will change also over here. So it's just, I just made this for like a demo, so don't just that, so that's it. This is how you can just use your, how you can install a WordPress theme. It's not that big of a deal in my opinion. Just click on install plugin and install a plugin which is called Astra, and start looking a website. And obviously if you want to edit multiple thing over here, or the header, if you want, obviously you can see, you can not see a header over here. Go to dashboard, go to appearance, and I guess menu or customize, I guess. So click on customize. It would take some time, but not that much, and you will end up over here. It's taking so much time, I don't know why. So once it's done, as you can see, we have our header over here. We can just edit that. How? Go to menu, because this is the menu, right? And you can just change that over here, and every single thing. If you want to edit that, you can also do that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you have any queries. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.